Hey guys, we found this at Walmart and we just came out. We found this in the clearance aisle. And what this is a micro toy box, and there's 5 toys and little toys inside, and there's 50 to collect. Let's see what we've got. Oh, so here's the first little thing.
Lincoln Logs.
Yeah, a little one. Alright.
Come on.
Oh, it looks like we got little bags. Oh, look, I got little binoculars.
It's a little slide where you put like...
Discs inside, and then you do like this, but you can actually do it. Oh. I know this is some kind of basketball thing,
It's
but
like a game console.
yeah. I think Russ has one of these. Oh, and what's this?
Kerplunk.
Kerplunk.
It's a game.
Yeah, it's a little board game, as you can see there. And then last but not least, we have a little sand pail that actually works. Maybe you can actually use like maybe some little sand with the little shovel. Well, that's it for today, guys, but come back for some more